Some school districts in Kentucky have canceled classes for today because of Hurricane Helene. The remnants of the storm also impacting at least one local festival. Well, this is a live look. This is the ABC 36 website. Right now, a long list of cancellations. Some of those include Estill County Schools, Jefferson County Public Schools, and Laurel County Public Schools. Meanwhile, Jessamine County, Boyd County, Round County, and Whitley County schools are just some of the districts on NTI days today. Well, this weekend's Lexington Latin Festival is also canceled. You can find a full list of those closures and cancellations by clicking on that story you just saw there on our website, WTVQ.com.